What is up, everybody? So we are taking a path less traveled today. We're going back in time to when the Titanic sailed the ocean blue. And this is actually located in Orlando. It's on International Drive. It's pretty close to Universal Studios, but it's one of the largest exhibits in the country or in the world, or one of the two.
They have real artifacts. And they have like background stories and stuff like that. It's open from Sunday through Thursday from 10 to 8, and then 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday and Saturday, and the last entry is an hour before it closes.
And so we went here probably what, 7 years ago, and they used to give you like your boarding pass, and it would tell you what class you were in, first, second, or third, and then at the end that you would see if you lived or died. But so I don't know if they're gonna let us record in there, but we'll at least go in there and have fun.
And also there's a first class Titanic dinner experience, 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays.
And I'm gonna link the website down below so you can go there and check that out. And I think it's like a 5-course meal, so it's kind of cool.
You think you dress up or something?
I think so too.
I'm not sure. We'll have to look at the details, or we'll just link it below to where you guys can check it out.
But we will see you guys inside at the museum. See ya. So we're back.
We couldn't take any pictures, and you cannot film in there at all, no matter what, because everything is copyrighted, she said, and it was either used in the film or it's the actual artifacts itself. Idea of it. It's not a self-guided tour anymore.
No, it is a self-guided, but it's not a. They don't take you out.
Right, that's what I meant. So they only are like in the first 2 rooms supposedly, and you get a boarding pass that looks like this, and then it tells you like your story, and if you lived, you have to check that, like one of the last ones there. Is that mine? Yeah, this is mine.
Sorry, I dropped it.
That's Brian's.
So I was first class, Amber was third class.
I survived with my 9-week-old child.
My family did, but I didn't. But you know, the great thing too is you probably can't see it, but anyway, so it says passenger fact, so it has like information, like for instance for mine, they actually met Bruce Ismay, the White Star Line director, and so he was able to get upgraded stuff. So it's kind of cool to have all that information available. The
family was originally booked on another White Star ship, but was transferred to Titanic due to the coal strike.
And speaking of coal, they have stuff in the gift shop that actually you could buy coal from that was recovered at the Titanic site.
It's put in jewelry. There's like a little timer.
Yeah, like a little hourglass thing.
It's still a pretty cool thing. I don't think they had as much artifacts as last time. I think they're mostly in like a lot of cases, and the rooms are a little bit different from what I remember. But again, it was 7 years ago, so I don't know. We'll have to go through our pictures and stuff. It was still cool. Yeah. If you're a Florida resident,
you got a discount. I'm not sure how much it was for the discount. But the other cool thing that I liked about it is that they have like a iceberg-ish thing, and you can actually put your hands on the temperature of what the water felt like. And I keep putting my hand up in her face, sorry. But you know what was cool, when we did it a few years ago, I actually outlasted everybody, not to brag or anything, but it kind of makes you really feel what the people back then felt when they were in the water.
It was also salt water, so it makes it a lot colder than what it has, because they said it was 28 degrees.
Yeah. But you just feel the needles pulsing through your fingers and stuff.
It's really cool though too, because there's a lot of emotional experiences that even visiting you can feel, and things like that. If you don't know, we did have a paranormal group. I don't know about sharing my story yet about that, but if you guys want to know, that can be another video. But I think I have kind of a gift, I guess you can say, of being an empath and feeling those things So for me, it was pretty emotional. I wanted to cry a few times. I was getting dizzy, things like that. So I'm not saying if it is haunted or if it's not haunted. I have no idea.
But it was cool.
It was definitely a different experience than last time, for sure. We did get a few things. So here's the bag that they give you when you buy stuff from the gift shop. We just got a couple of things because last time we got a plate.
A plate, yep.
And this time we got a magnet.
I know, how original, right?
And then Brian collects coins because he had a whole bunch from the Navy. So I thought this would be a cool collection for him to add as well. And this was not that expensive either.
Yeah, that's like 16 bucks.
Mm-hmm.
You can't see it.
Let me put it in here. This might be easier for you guys.
But it says Titanic, maiden voyage, April 10th, 1912. And then it has limited edition, so that's kind of cool.
Back, it looks different than the front.
It has a grand staircase. So you can actually, they give you a photo ticket even though you can't take pictures. So you can actually take a photo at the grand staircase, which is really, really cool. Amber and I got our picture done last time that we kind of did a selfie.
Yeah, because you were able to take pictures and all that last time, which we did say, you know.
And then they have a green screen in the lobby.
We can take 3 more pictures. So you get 4 pictures altogether and that you can purchase. But the quality, I didn't personally like. Maybe others, especially because like if you're visiting and stuff, it's a cool thing to have, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
But we can come here all the time. So as of right now, I think it was just the experience and things like that. Maybe next time we'll get a picture.
Right. Well, and the other part, it has Titanic on it, and that's part of the reason we're like, well, yeah, it'd be cool for a souvenir, but it wasn't for us today. But maybe in the future, like if we take our family or something, that'd be kind of cool when they come out. But we're gonna go probably to the Eye of Orlando, or Orlando Eye.
Or the Wax Museum.
In the Mac Museum. I'm so scared about the whole 400 feet.
Oh, we do have the
No. I will.
I'll try to get him to go on there, you guys. I'm wearing a dress, so I don't know if it's gonna be a good idea as of now.
Y'all can comment as much as you want below. You can like as much as you want. My butt is not going up on that 400-foot swing.
I'll go on it.
I will video her on it. I ain't going.
We'll get a GoPro for it.
I ain't going. No.
Well, we're gonna let you guys go for now, because we are starving, and then we'll probably figure out what else we're gonna do besides the Eye, or maybe that's just like a date night kind of thing or something. So we'll see you guys in a while.
See you guys. Don't tell me.
Hey guys, so now we're at
Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum.
It's been a few years since we've been here,
Just a couple.
so we're gonna check it out.
Yep. I think this is the one that has the infertility statues.
They might have it. I don't know.
I think they separate them every once in a while, but we'll see.
We'll see.
But they do have a tunnel, and you feel so disembodied.
That's a word.
Google it.
Unlikely material. Many of these are on display in this show. So please, come in, have a look around, and then ask yourselves if you believe it or not.
your face.
You do it.
No.
Look at this car though.
Man, wanna do it?
Step right up, get your love horoscope. See if your love is too cold to hold or just plain hot stuff.
You wanna go first, or me?
Go. All right, Amber's going. Don't. No, you can't hold on. You can't hold on. Let go. No, you can't stutter step either. Okay, so we're gonna do this like this. Ready?
With your hands up?
Yeah.
You can see all your freckles.
Okay.
There you go. Hands up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is that messing up?
I don't know, it's funny though. Hey guys.
Hey.
So we just finished up. There's some cool things in there.
Yeah, there's interesting things.
You'll probably see Amber falling down a lot, and me too. I mean, there's some like uneven built stuff that's like designed to really jack with the equilibrium, but it's really fun.
It's fun, honestly, but the price may not be worth it.
Yeah, it was like $45 for both of us, and we got it for a resident discount.
Like $4 discount. But like if it's something that you love doing, then absolutely come and check it out.
Yeah.
For us, we haven't been here a few years, so we decided to come back and see if anything's different or anything like that. It seems like there's less things now.
Yeah, there's more activities though than before.
Yeah.
But
so there's not like interesting, cool things.
yeah,
From what I
like,
remember.
a lot of the artifacts are kind of taken down. But either way, it was still. I mean, it was still kind of fun to see some cool stuff.
Yeah.
They had the tallest man in there that was like really tall. Well,
Yeah.
but we're also really short.
There's some cool things in there. It's just, it's for the price. It's like, oh, okay, you know.
Yeah.
But if you're willing to pay for it and you like this kind of stuff, then it's definitely worth it.
Absolutely.
If not, and you're gonna visit again in Orlando or check other things out too, I would probably research a little bit more.
Yeah, it's kind of like the Hard Rock Cafe. You know, it's like a lot of people go around collecting the shirts. You might be that kind of person that does it here at
Yeah.
Ripley. So, but yeah, we will see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.